So, the soil is full of rocks, and not just little ones either. They're really big. So I'm probably going to give this another 10 or 15 minutes, but yeah, my back's already hurting, so big surprise there. I tried to turn the lights on, but I guess that's another thing that I get to do whenever this thing gets built, is put some lights in. I can only imagine how bad this would be if it hadn't been raining all day. Because usually the dirt here is like super compact, got a bit of clay in it. But no, this is coming up okay. It's just going to take me a lot of work. So. I wanted to save this for later, but I really should get these pots out of the way. Can you even still see? No, not really. Alright, well, I'll tell you what. I'll let you guys go here, and I'm going to dig a little bit, but I'm probably going to go inside in the next 10 minutes. So, this is McBooty signing off, and yeah. I'm actually kind of excited about this little project, so... Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch y'all later.